So if you want to make your workflow faster, then you can use shortcut keys inside of Adobe Acrobat Reader. So over here you can see that I have a document, and if I want to use the zoom feature, I can press Ctrl 0 and you get the fit option right there. If I were to press Ctrl 1, then you can see that it's in a bigger size. If I were to press Ctrl 2, you can see that it fits into pages. Ctrl 3, it fits the entire pages. So this is one of the handy shortcut keys that you can use. And to view other shortcut keys, you can go over here onto some menu, and then over here besides the tool, you can see for open it's Ctrl O. If you were to use it, for save as it's Shift Ctrl S, and for close file it's Ctrl W, and so forth. So what you can do is you can use these shortcut keys to perform those actions at a faster rate if you work with a lot of PDFs. So if I were to go to edit right here, you can see that for cut is Ctrl X, for paste is Ctrl V, and so forth. So everything is here. So I can go around onto view, and then you have different shortcut keys for each of the settings right here. You go around into sign, and then there's no shortcut keys for this one. Now over here you can see that you can go around, and as long as they have the shortcut key, you can simply use it out. And that is how shortcut keys makes it very, very easy for you to work around with PDF documents. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.